this video, we learn how to create and promote a Facebook event on Facebook page. If this is your first time to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to always get updates when new content is added. Visit your Facebook page. You will see the event tab on the left side of your Facebook page. If not, click Settings above your Facebook page and next click Templates and Tabs on the left. Next, scroll down to the bottom, click Add Tabs and next click the Add tab corresponding to Events. Next, move the tab above so that it's visible to your Facebook users on your Facebook page. Next, click Event tab. And here, click Create Events tab to create an event on Facebook. Next on this page, let's create the event to promote and invite people to attend the event. It can be any event, family functions like wedding or birthdays or corporate events or singing or musical event. For this video, we will create a sample photography exhibition event. Upload an attractive image of the event announcing about where or when the event along with the other features. Use bright colors and graphics rather than text content on the promotional page. Next, enter a name for the event and again enter the location where the event is supposed to be held. Next, enter brief description of the event and its features for Facebook users who wish to attend the event. Select event category from the list of options available. Next, select the frequency with which the event would be occurring, like corporate product promotional events may happen daily for almost a week. Family functions like birthday or wedding may take 1 to 3 days maximum. Enter both the date and time and save the changes. If the event is co-hosted, you can select them here if they have a Facebook page. They too can edit contents here for the event. We can enter keywords along with other details like kids, friends, and volunteers for the event here to promote it. If the event is private and need tickets to enter, you can enter where the tickets will be available here along with date and time. Next, select if the others besides the admin can post on the event. Again, select if users can ask questions on the event through chat messenger. We can check or uncheck if we want to display the guest list. Once we are done with adding all the necessary details for the event, we can save a draft and publish later. Or we can schedule it and publish later, or publish the event promotional post immediately. We can see the event has been created on the Event tab with all the details of the event. If you visit the main Facebook page, Home tab, a copy of the event is posted on it. We can pin it to the top of the page's timeline for visitors to view and take a call to attend the event. We can share the event post to our profile or Facebook groups or the Facebook page too. I hope you liked watching this video tutorial. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe, like and comment on the video if it was helpful. Thank you.